Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I have this 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panel, and I was thinking of trying the technique that Jessica Winterstorm started, and it's really cool, and I just want to do another one of these, but I want to use a different tool to create the swipes. So what she does is she has a layer of base paint, which is usually white. On top of that, then she layers bunch of colors, and then she hides all those colors with a different color of base coat. And on top of that, she will be using the tools like one of these, and she would play around with the she would put some cell activator and play around and spin. So I'm going to do something similar, except I am going to use my spoon as a tool to play around. So let's see how it goes. This is Gidden Essential semi-gloss, and I have added a dash of GAC 800 with this to prevent creasing. I'm using my finger to spread the paint or base coat to the sides. Otherwise, I would sometimes get a thin line on the border or where the paint is sitting on the wooden panel for a while. Also, I think it helps the base coat spread pretty smoothly as I spin. Golden's Nicolaho Gold, Groovy from TLP, Artesa's Bordeaux Red, Burned Sienna, Green Gold, Indian Yellow, what else? Deja Vu. Now I'm going to use this plastic spatula to spread my faux base on top of the other colors. So I'm going to put a thin layer of aqua green, which is my Sherwin-Williams house paint, not any acrylic paint, as a faux cover. If you have seen Jessica's work, I hope you are noticing that I'm using my house paint as my faux base as well. Usually Jessica uses acrylic paint. I don't know, I'm using house paint, but it seems like the colors in the bottom is kind of showing up. I don't know why. Let's see how it goes. So okay, So now I have Payne's Gray Cell Activator. What I'm doing is I'm just covering the back of my spoon with my cell activator, and I'm going to try to use it okay. One more time. As you can see, I just dipped my back of my spoon. Okay, I don't know. Let's spin and see what happens. Look at how much vibrant paints from underneath showed up as it spins. Composition is really important, so I'm trying to make sure what to keep and what to get rid of. At the same time, also making sure that I don't have too much paint on the surface. Maybe I'm going to get rid of this side because the other sides are really pretty. On one corner, I see a very interesting thing happening. Do you see that all those white cells are showing through the aqua green color? And because probably the faux base coat that I used, that was also from Sherwin-Williams, the house paint. That's why probably I'm getting those cells, because usually I don't see those with this kind of technique. My first comment about using house paint as the faux base is, I would say, with acrylic paint you can have a gradient of the color of the base coat, which creates a dramatic effect which you are not going to get it if you are using house paint instead of acrylic paint. Interesting, don't you think so? Spin some more. This is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Just wow on this side. Let me torch this a little and see what happens. I have a feeling I will have way more cells open up if I let it sit for a second. So let's see. Oh wow. Very elegant, very nice. The colors that this is phenomenal, and the colors, the mix here is so pretty here, and kind of like it's, oh, it's so beautiful. You guys have to tell me what you think, but I will bring you down after I let it sit for maybe half an hour, then I will show you. So this is my dried result. As you can see, it dried really nice. I'm going to, let's see first what is going on here. Really pretty colors. Oh, these little cells. The lacing is very pretty here. This side is to die for. This is a wacky little cell, which is actually really cool. So I'm loving this side, and as you can see here, I have some mudding going on, and honestly with these like vibrant colors, the mudding is really complementing each other. Often it doesn't happen, but on this particular piece it did happen. Only thing I have problem with is this unnecessary cells. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to use a brush and cover them up. So I'm just directly using the house paint with my brush and basically covering these sides up. So this is one way of you can fix a particular paint or sides of a paint if you are not very happy about. There's no wrong way of doing this. Just use a brush and cover it up. So this was, I did the technique which is basically hidden paints, and you put a second layer of base on top of the previous paints and then see how it looks. So for the covering the full base, I used my house paint, and that's why I got this really weird effect, which is actually really cool. So I would probably experiment with these more, because I think there's huge potential. See on these corners as well, the whites coming through, which is not desirable for me at this particular piece. So I'm covering them up with a brush. I'm going to do the same thing on this corner. because I think that some solid areas will complement this lot of thing going on here. So sometimes it's desirable to see some areas with no action going on. Okay. So this is my final product after I resined it, and as you can see, it turned out beautiful. I'm so happy with this piece. I hope you like this project, and thank you so much for hanging in here today with me, and hope you liked my video. Until next time, bye.